How to download WhatsApp chat history on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You are now in the WhatsApp chats page where you can view all your chats. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Settings on the right corner. Scroll down and go to Chats. Here, go to Export Chat. You can now choose the chat you want to export from here. Select that chat and then choose if you want to add media or not. From the sharing options, tap on Save to Files as shown. Select the folder where you want to save the file to and then tap on Save. Now, go back and open up the Files app. Go to the folder where you just saved the file to. Open the file to view the exported chat history. Following these steps, you can easily download WhatsApp chat history on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.